Hello friends, today I am going to uh, discuss about the meditations that all the sentient beings has one's own mother. In order to do that meditation, uh, first we have to think about our past life. So when we talk about our own past life, uh, our, if we talk about the past life, so our own past life is infinite. And if we look at the infinite number of our past life, each and every single of our past life, we had a mother. So we had an infinite number of mothers in our past life. So that means, there is no single sentient beings. There is no single human being who have never been our own mother. And if we look at some human beings, some sentient beings, they have been our mother not only for one life, they have been our mother for many lifetimes. So if I take an example of Buddha, if we look at his mother, Maya, his mother, Buddha's mother, she had been Buddha's mother not only for one lifetime, she had been Buddha's mother for many lifetimes, like that. So therefore, many sentient beings, many human beings, they have been our own mother for not only one life, they have been our mother for many lifetimes. So this is the first step of doing the meditation. If you do this meditation, then you can develop a sense of like a closeness towards the all sentient being. Then you can feel that all the sentient beings are very dear to you, like that. Then second step of meditation is that we have to recollect and all the mother sentient beings kindness. So in order to do that meditations, it is impossible for us to recollect our past lives, but we can see our own this present life, and we can see our own mother in this present lives, and we can experience our own mother's kindness. So if we look at our own mother, she kept us in her own womb for 9 months, and after we come out of her womb, she fed us, and also she cleaned our poops, and sometimes mother are suckings their child nose to take out the mucus, like that. And even the mother, she has money to enjoy a good food. Instead of enjoying herself, she is buying a good food for her own children, and even she has money to buy a good clothes. She is buying a good clothes for her own children, like that. So if I give you an example, one time His Holiness the Dalai Lama said that he was traveling from Japan to United States. On that very night, he has met a family on plane, and that family has two sons, two boys. So one elder son, he looks like 5 years old, and younger son was a baby, quite young, quite like a infant baby. Then at the beginning, elder son was moving here and there, and his father was taking care of him. Then after some times, elder son fell asleep, and gradually father also fallen asleep. Then the baby child, he has been crying rest of the night, and mother was taking care of him rest of the night. So that very night, His Holiness Dalai Lama said that he was not able to take a good sleep because of babies crying. So next very morning, he went to meet that mother. Then he has noticed that her eyes are completely red. So that means mothers are capable of sacrificing her own sleeps to protect the children. And sometimes we can see that mothers are risking their life. They are sacrificing their own life to protect their own children, to save their own children. And even we grown up, we become an adult. Mothers, they are aged and they feel so happy when they see their sons and daughter like that. So mothers, they have been so kind to us. So we have to do a meditation like that. This is the second step of meditation. Then third step of meditation, that we have to develop a thought to repaying all the mother sentient beings kindness. In order to do that meditation, first thing you have to think that you are fortunate that you become a human being in this life. If you were a dog, if you were a cat, if you were an animal, then you would not able to help large number of human beings, large number of sentient beings as much as you can. So so in this life, you are a human being, you become a human being. Now you have a capacity and you are capable of help and serve the large number of sentient being as much as you can. And you have to think that all the mother sentient beings, they have a high expectation on you and they are counting on you. And as a son of all the mother sentient beings, you have a responsibility. It is your time to serve them. It is your responsibility to help all the mother sentient beings as much as you can. If I give you an example, let's say there is a child and his mother, some people come and tie her and they started to beat her, and you are just sitting with your friend and enjoying a tea and chatting with them, and what would people think? People would definitely say that this son is very shameless. Similarly, all the mother sentient beings, they are inflicting a huge suffering on this planet. They are inflicting the huge suffering in this samsara. As a son of all the mother sentient being, and you have got this human life and you are enjoying yourself and you are wasting your own life, then what would all the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas, what would they feel? They will definitely say that this son is very, very shameless. So you have to think like that. So this is how you have to do meditation. So this is the third step of doing meditation. So if you do meditation like this, this will definitely help you to weaken, or this will definitely help you to undermine your self-centered attitude. And I'm sure that you will treat all the sentient beings as same as how you treat your own mother if you do this meditation. So like eventually you will develop a deep respect, deep sense of respect towards all the sentient being, and you can, wherever you go, you can feel that all the sentient beings are very dear to you. So this is the point of doing this kind of meditations. That's all. Thank you.